jumper under canopy tonight is Everett Joyner, professional exhibition pro-rated coach, rated skydiver as well. Over 90% of skydives have been made specifically geared towards training or for executing college and NFL football stadium demonstrations. Everett got his start in demonstration skydiving. He was a member and a former commander of the Air Force parachute demonstration team, and he's been working hard to expand his skill set by training with and learning from senior members of Team Fast Tracks.
Oh my!
Ground, of course, a great reflector of sound. Let's give it up for Team Fast Tracks.